Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on SUI. SUI right now, which is a very weird thing to say. It feels weird to say it, but it's actually one of the most bullish cryptos in the market. I'm not sure if I can find any real proof for that, but if you, for example, sort on the last 7 days, well, there's your proof. Last 7 days, it's actually the second biggest grower in the top 100. We're up almost 25%, and you can also see that on the chart. I mean, we've just been in a little bit of an uptrend since the 10th of June. The big question is well, can we actually keep up that uptrend, or is this more a bearish flag, right? So a bearish flag is a little bit of bullish momentum in a bearish market or in a downtrend. So we'll talk about that in this video. We're actually at a crucial level right now, because what happens is that we got some expected also, because I covered that in my last video. We got some expected resistance from this 80 cents level, and we got a bearish confirmation from there. We actually broke down below the support level around 75, 76 cents. And now what happened is that we actually found support at 71 cents, and now we're trying to break above that level. And if we can break above that level, that's a huge bullish confirmation. And then my price target is all the way up here at around 87 cents. So a lot is possible, but it is going to be difficult, because right now what we are seeing is that Bitcoin is just not that strong. Where, like, in general, I think we will see some more bearish momentum from Bitcoin, but in general, there's just not that much momentum. So we'll talk a bit about what's possible for SUI and what to expect in this video. Now, before we dive into that though, as I always say, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, I have my own trading signal group. Then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. Might be a good option for you if you actually want to learn to become a better trader, analyzer, investor, while also making some money, because in the signal group we are very profitable so far. So check that out if you're interested. But now let's actually start off with some, excuse me, I'm getting calls right here, but I'm not sure what the number is. I don't think it's important. But we'll actually start off with what I always do is I check out the network statistics of SUI. It's a bit depressing to always do that, because it's not been that great for the last weeks. But I mean, I can hardly, like right now, again, the total value locked is so low at around 11.5 million. Now I've stated that before. It doesn't matter that much for short term, but on the long term, it doesn't make my feelings on SUI that much better. But all right, so right now the big question is, can we break above 76 cents? 76 cents is the level to break. Last candle actually broke down, or actually closed below that level, which is not great, because this is actually something you see quite a lot, so that you have two of those spikes above the level, but that none of them close above that, and we really need to get some sort of a close above that. So at this point of time, unfortunately, because of what I'm seeing on the chart, but also because of what I expect from Bitcoin, and that there's some more bearish momentum, unfortunately, I think we're going to drop down. I don't think we'll be able to get this bullish breakout and get to 87 cents. I mean, we've had some nice momentum, but it looks more likely that we'll fall. Now, there's one more thing that could happen, all right? We found support right here at around 71.5 cents. It's quite an important and quite a strong support level. But there's one more area of hope, and that is right now. Like I said, I expect this to drop down, but there's this level right here, around 70 cents. 70 cents, big psychological support level. We got the 0.618 FIB of this entire move up, and then we also have this trend line, which should be very strong, or at least it should be strong. So from there, we still have one more kind of area from which we could be bullish again. But for now, like I said, I expect us to drop down to that level. I think we'll find support there, but from that support, we would need to at least break above 75 cents. If we can do that, then we can still rally. But you do have to understand that the chances of still rallying from that and getting that type of support from that area, while the rest of the market is falling, is going to be very hard. All right, so I think it's possible. I don't think it's likely. I think it's more likely that we'll just do this, that this was a nice bearish flag, but that we'll afterwards get some more bearish momentum, at least down to levels around 62 cents. But that's my take on it for now. I will keep you updated, of course, on SUI, but for now, this is my take and my updates. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.